Not started. All right. Hi everyone. Good evening. Namaskar. Jai Hind. I hope you're all well, fine, healthy, safe. So this is one thing which a lot of you have been asking. The students who have gone to IMOTC experience, how has been the experience? Because this is actually a dream for a lot of students who want to, yeah, or who are preparing for mathematics Olympiad. And I thought I would bring in some of the students who are INMO bodies who went there, had a blast, learned a lot of things, and just to tell you how amazing this experience is and what did they actually do. So ये मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, right? The students who are preparing for IIT or maybe IIT Bombay, I asked them to look at IIT Bombay website and experience what is was it is like spending 4 years in IIT Bombay, right? So I know that a lot of you, of course, uh, have been preparing or are preparing for IOQM and then RMO and then INMO, and I know that a lot of you also want to get into. It's a dream for a lot of students to get into IMOTC because it's a super experience. This is something which we have been hearing. So let us hear from these awesome students who've just come back from IMOTC. So we have Jay Agarwal, who's in class 12, Aratrik, who's in class 10th, and Adit Agarwal, also from class 10th. And so we'll hear from them. So before I start, let me uh, share, certain pics which these students have just shared with me. You shared, see, okay. I hope the censored ones, huh? Okay. All right. So this is the group photo, is it? This is at the start or at the end? Just after? Oh, the when the seniors joined. Okay, great. This is the whole group. Amazing, amazing. Super. Gunjan is where? Oh, she's not wearing the t-shirt. Oh, she is half visible. Yes, yes, yes. There were only one, two, three, four, five, six girls. No. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Amazing. Super. So of course, so we will hear everything about it कि कैसे जाते हो. See, juniors पहले जाते हैं and seniors join after some time, and then of course uh, you know पढ़ाई होती है, मस्ती होती है, right? So everything. So उससे पहले एक बार मैं सबको फोटोज दिखा देता हूँ. जस्ट दैट इन फोटोज को हम बाद में एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, बट एक बार सारी फोटोज देख लो, राइट? सो दिस इज दिस इज व्हाट, हु कैन एक्सप्लेन दिस? ओके. ओके. सेकंड, वन सेकंड. एंड दिस वाज द हॉस्टल बेसिकली. Oh, new building. Okay. Oh, TSC used to happen in this. Okay, great. Okay, so this was 7th floor long. Okay, great. I mean, the amazing view. And what is outside? Oh, TCS building. Okay, great. And okay, so Adit sent me this tree. So Adit, do you want to explain? Okay, did you see any good mathematics? Apply any mathematics in the tree? No. Okay, okay, but okay, but it's a beautiful picture and beautiful tree as well. Okay, okay. Who took this? Who called? One second, guys. One second, one second. Uh, I think students are not able to hear your voice. Can you speak now? Can one of you speak?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you hear the voice now?
Is this working? Like mic check, guys? Mic check.
Can't hear the students.
Is it working now? Like, if anyone starts hearing the voice, then
Can you hear Adit and Jays and Aratik? Okay, now it is fine. Okay, then
okay.
we'll have to
Oh.
start from the start. Okay, right. So I mean, we were explaining. I mean, the students were explaining. This is the picture when seniors join them. So basically, what happens is juniors join early, and they kind of get themselves comfortable, and then seniors join around a week later. And so as soon as the seniors join, this is the picture of the camp. And we were discussing that Gunjan is not there, or she's half there. उसका आधा body इधर है and आधा picture के अंदर है. But okay, so there were around 14 girls and rest were boys, and the people in the middle, they're the ones who, okay, I can identify a few of them. Okay, all right. So this is the seventh floor. Adit, if you could explain the same again.
So in CMI, we had 3 buildings. So when you walk up to the entrance, you see the first building, which I like to call the old building. It contained all of the lecture halls and the seminar hall where our classes used to happen. When you walk from there, you reach a new building. So this is that building. And then when you walk a bit more from there, you reach the hostels building. So this is the 7th floor in the new building. In our new building, we used to have, for example, in the 2nd floor, we had our TSTs and our arbitration. And in the 6th and 7th floors, it was basically just an open area with like 4 blackboards in total. So we used to just spend a lot of time over here.
Blackboard with a huge classroom, is it?
Sorry?
Blackboard with a huge classroom.
No, this is just blackboards.
No, like you can see in this photo only. In the
blackboards out in the open on the right
side. We have cubicles where we have just blackboard, open cubicles.
Like it's discussion area, you can just solve them.
Amazing.
Yeah, like you have this all over the campus.
Okay. Super. Amazing. Okay, and this is a tree which Adit, sent me, and I think it's a beautiful picture. I was wondering if there was any mathematics involved. Adit said no. Okay, but it's a very amazing picture. You know, the tree, the leaves on the ground, and it's a beautiful tree. Amazing.
Oh, just one thing for anyone who wants to go to CMI. Like for IMOTC, be careful about like leeches and stuff because there were a lot of leeches, snails, that sort of thing.
Okay, so do you have any idea that IMOTC is going to, the next IMOTC is going to have?
In CMI.
Yeah, they said that they're going to do it in CMI.
So,
Yeah.
though
In the valedictory.
Bak is not there.
Like, बनने वाली है बात कि CMI में है.
Okay.
So,
okay. So from now onwards, guys, this is the revelation. Now onwards, all IMOTCs are going to be in CMI only. So there's a caution and a word of advice from Adit Agarwal. He says, be careful about the leeches.
Yeah, be careful about the wildlife in general. There's a lot of wildlife.
Okay, but did you have any serious encounter?
I mean, I saw a spider once, but then it did nothing. So
I mean, we even saw bats and stuff there. So spiders.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Great. But again,
there were a lot of lizards.
But were you allowed to roam about in the night? I mean,
Yeah.
Yeah, we were allowed.
Okay, great. And how big is
All the buildings were open.
It's 6 acres, something around 6
Yeah,
acres.
5 acres.
Yeah,
6 acres.
I think so.
5 acres.
5 or 6 acres.
Okay. All right. And this is the pic. Okay. So this is in the night or?
In the night.
Night.
After the lecture hall, Rohini told us that come in my room, we will have fun.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the new building only.
So what was the fun?
Like
Fun was just discussion stuff, fun stuff, like 2 truths, 1 lie, that sort of stuff.
I thought discussion, serious math discussion.
No.
No.
I
Nothing like-
wish.
Okay. Okay. So the rooms were double occupancy, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
these were for teachers.
Except that this is not how our hostel looked.
Yeah, these are
hostel
guest
looks
rooms.
terrible.
This is what then?
Guest rooms.
This is very luxurious compared to our hostel.
Yeah, they're guest rooms.
Okay. So I thought मैं तो खुश हो गया था देखकर कि यार ये तो
No.
मस्ती में
I have
रहते हैं।
a photo of hostel room, but it's not that good.
Okay. Okay.
The hostels, they just don't look good. Oh yeah, this was Lakshya's birthday, if I'm not wrong.
Oh, Lakshya's birthday. Oh,
Yeah.
nice. And
Yeah, so
the
you
only
can see
person
me
who's
all the
sitting
way at
is
the back.
Jay is the only person who's sitting.
You can see me at the back.
You are hanging or something? Huh?
No, we're standing at the back. So there's like a small platform or some platform
And
or
I
like a
just
wall.
fell from that.
Oh, I thought.
No, not me. My glasses fell from that.
Oh, मुझे लगा कि वो तू पीछे खड़ा है and it's I mean you're about to jump.
No,
Because
no,
of
no.
your celebration of your good TSC score.
No.
It was in the beginning only. It was around 13th, I guess.
Oh,
Yeah.
यहाँ पे क्या बर्थडे बम्स हुए क्या?
No.
Okay, बच्चे पूछ रहे हैं कि एसी था क्या?
No. Not in
No.
the hostels.
Not
In the
in
seminar
AC?
hall.
Only in the lecture
AC was
halls and
there.
like
AC was in the library and
And the
in the
CS lab.
computer lab and in
Yeah.
like the classrooms.
Classrooms
But
are
computer
open
lab-
24/7.
No, classrooms were locked.
Only during the lecture periods.
Yeah.
Then it locked down.
And then computer lab, sometimes they turn the AC off.
yeah, from 6 to 9 they turned it off.
And then library, you weren't allowed to talk whatsoever.
Mm.
So all of those places have their disadvantages.
Okay, so अगर शाम को एसी चाहिए तो क्या करें?
Library में first floor पे चले जाओ.
Okay, but again, I mean, so you used to also play football. This is what you told. So
हाँ.
6 बजे से लेके 8 बजे तक तुम फुटबॉल खेल रहे हो, इतना पसीना आया है एंड उसके बाद मतलब क्या मतलब
उसके बाद सर डिनर करते नहाते और फिर लैब में चले जाते 9 बजे लैब में स्टार्ट हो जाता है.
अच्छा 9 बजे लैब में कंप्यूटर लैब.
हाँ.
Okay, so computer lab में you were able to access the internet.
पर वो
Yeah.
क्या?
वो फाइट नहीं होता था मतलब the number of computers were less as compared to the number of students.
No,
No, we used to bring our own laptop.
They didn't allow us to. By the way, they didn't allow us to access Wi-Fi, from what I remember.
Yeah, but we could use the Ethernet one, so that was allowed.
Okay. Great. And did he get birthday bumps?
No, he did not.
No birthday bumps. Okay, शरीफों वाला birthday बनाया तुमने. This is something which I find very interesting. मतलब मैंने जब download कर रहा था, I mean this super. I mean this is going to be a lot of motivation for a lot of students who are going to watch this. I mean, so all the best minds of India of this year are currently on the boards, and while some of them are looking at the board. What is happening here?
Blackboard
Like, we are just
addiction.
solving random problems. I guess 3 different problems or something.
So they were solving
I mean-
3 different problems on 3 boards.
Or
Yeah.
even 4, I guess. Yeah.
And it was like half board, half problem, half board, other half problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Again,
Oh,
half
three.
board and half what?
Like on one board, there could be 5 problems doing.
Yeah.
Oh,
And like they did not think that the other is solving, so we should not take the space.
oh.
Like they even sometimes solve chemistry problems and other problems also, like non-math problems too.
Okay, I'm sure there would be
Seniors
people
got the-
also.
One of the senior was solving chemistry whole day, and Om used to troll her all the time.
Home what?
Om trolled her. She was a girl, and Om trolled her all the time.
Okay, amazing. But this is superb. यार मतलब हम ये movies में देखते हैं मतलब वो होता है ना जो MIT वाले lectures होते हैं and this is what we are used to seeing. But this is something which is amazing and students working on the problem, discussing on the board, amazing. And this was a classroom.
Seminar
Yeah,
hall.
this was the seminar hall
This was
for
juniors.
juniors. Seniors had a much smaller classroom.
Yeah, that was a lecture hall, I guess. We had a
Yeah.
seminar.
Okay. So this was not a classroom. मतलब this was a different hall.
This was mainly for
No,
seminars.
this was yeah, we used to have our classes here.
Your classes in this room.
Yeah.
And this
Yeah.
used to be
Yeah.
open till
8 p.
Yeah, around.
Okay. 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 One more thing. This is something which I've been asked a lot of times. How many of the students who are in IMOTC wore specs? Okay.
Most of them.
Most of them,
How
surely.
many of them did not wear?
I did
I
not
think
find
most of them wore specs.
5, 6 or
Okay. So,
5,
okay,
6
so
maybe didn't
there were
wear.
5 or 6 students who did not wear specs. So guys, अब तुम्हें समझ में आ गए. IMOTC
you can
में
see the
जाने
group
का-
photo, na? In the group photo, it's already
Oh
You can
yes,
see.
in the group. But group photo में सबका शक्ल इतना अच्छी तरह आ नहीं रहा.
सर मैं बता दूंगा.
Also, guys who are watching on YouTube, it's well known that to get into IMOTC, you need to get specs, or you need to get a perfect score, or you need to impress the people. So get specs.
Okay. I think yeah, there would be around 10, not more than 10. Not more than 10, I guess.
सर 11 तो काउंटिंग में आ गई.
Okay, 11 चल रहा है. चलो कोई बात नहीं, मतलब ultimately, you know,
16 आ गई. 1 6 16.
चलो ठीक है. So let us not get into the thing. But okay, what is this? This is Adit.
I have no
Yeah,
idea.
this is
I
Adit.
have no idea what was going on actually. He was just randomly lying down. I was just looking. I have no idea what was happening.
You were throwing the bottle on him. The bottle is kept on the side.
Oh right. Oh right.
But who is lying down?
He is.
Honestly, I don't remember.
It's Shresht.
Okay. Okay.
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
This is the canteen.
This is canteen. So you used to eat in canteen, is it?
Yeah.
Or there was no mess.
Mess.
Ah,
Like, this is the
mess.
mess.
Yeah, this is the mess.
This is the mess.
Okay. And how was the food?
Food was
It was good.
extremely
Food was
nice.
good. Food was decent.
Okay. Okay. So normally
Like-
ऐसा होता है कि मतलब you know, people in the north, they are afraid to go to the south, and this is what you know, I have been teaching JEE for the good 13-14 years now. And even if someone gets good rank, you know, and उसको IIT Chennai, IIT Madras का computer science भी मिल रहा होता है, he prefers not to go there. And the major reason that comes out is food, right? So okay, and it is good to hear that the food was good, amazing. And so this okay, but the other CMS students were also there, or I mean they were on
Like
the,
some of them were
Some of
there.
them were there.
Some of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
but
Not too many.
उनका छुट्टियां चल
Yeah.
रहा था ना अभी इस time.
Huh.
And
This is again more architecture. So this is like you can see the new building in the distance.
oh, so this
Like
is the
this is
7th floor
just
where you
in
click
front of the
photos.
main gate.
Yeah.
In front of the entrance.
Okay. And
Like, there was
The
lot
front
of
part,
greenery.
yeah.
the lawn is also beautiful.
Yes.
It's a very good lawn. But I'm sure you would not be allowed to enter this.
We can.
One of them I think we just entered because like there was this statue thing of Pascal's triangle. So just to have a look at that,
Where is Pascal's triangle?
I mean there was
You are on mute.
there was one like stone thing of Pascal's triangle where they'd shown Pascal triangle, but I don't know if I have it on my phone.
Okay. Amazing. Great. Amazing stuff, guys. I mean, there are other pictures which
So I shared more of them.
yes, I'll try to put them. But quickly, one by one, we'll talk about these majorly on the first part. How was it like? I mean, कैसा था experience overall? क्या क्या हुआ? TSCs कैसे होते हैं? So students want to know about it. Okay, you may choose to not tell your TSC scores. I mean, but apart from that, what was it like? पहले आए सब juniors आए. How did you get comfortable? And then soon seniors joined you. How was the experience? And how was the classes? Of course, a lot of us know that junior classes or senior classes दोनों अलग-अलग होती हैं. But is the content which is taught also different? Are the teachers also different? And right, so briefly, we'll start with Adit.
Yeah. So the first thing you said, the junior and senior classes are separate.
Yes.
The unofficial rule of IMOTC is that if you want to go to senior classes, just go to senior classes. If you want to go to the senior classes, just go to the senior classes.
This is the message given to you. I mean, this is unofficial, but you could.
No, but don't tell them that you're going to the senior classes, otherwise they're going to kick you out.
Oh, okay. Tell whom? The teachers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just go into the senior class.
Okay. But did you attend any senior class?
I attended one of them. Honestly, I didn't personally quite like it.
Like the
Yeah.
graph theory one.
You either like do the junior one or the senior one, or you bunk. I just
Yeah, like there were some
did the
guys who did only senior class, some juniors who
Yeah.
did only senior class.
Okay. Okay.
I personally did not like the style of the senior classes when I went there one day, so I decided to just do junior classes. But junior classes, I think it was quite nice. So we used to have classes throughout till the evening. And then if you wanted to go, you could go. And then they had some extra classes if you wanted till like 7-ish, I think, at night. So
7:40.
that was very intensive training. So that's about the classes. And of course, classes
And
were
how many classes daily?
5
Five.
in total, counting
Five.
extra.
Total
I think
5 classes daily.
five,
Like
yeah.
4 official classes plus some like extra classes we used to have.
Yeah.
Okay, so extra classes are planned by the teachers. There.
Yes.
Yeah, like more by the students, not than the teachers. Actually.
Yeah.
And then the teachers who were teaching were the professors and also the ones who represented India. For example, Rohan took some classes.
Yeah.
Okay. But mostly it was, I mean, it was 50-50 or, I mean, how many classes
For
were there?
major students. Major
It was 50,
students.
it was like a mix.
Yeah. Like,
Okay.
yeah.
And so what was like, so was it more fun with the seniors or when you arrived earlier? I mean, how do you
The
compare?
seniors were
Both were fun. Both had their own fun.
Like after
Ah.
seniors came, I think it increased.
Yeah,
like,
it started.
I think the
Everyone
seniors
talk to each other after seniors arrived.
I think the seniors sort of like acted as a catalyst, a social catalyst.
Yeah,
and
definitely.
broke the ice.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then now coming to TSTs. So the way that TSTs work, for those of you who are on YouTube, is that in the start for juniors, we have 2 practice tests. And then after the practice tests, the seniors arrive, or they could arrive before and give a few practice tests. But generally, after the practice tests, the seniors arrive, and then we have 4 more team selection tests. So the first lesson that I learned about TSTs is that just don't underestimate them. Like INMO, the checking, if you think INMO checking is harsh, then you will be surprised to see TST checking. INMO checking is very, very, very lenient compared to what you see on TSTs. So to give you the idea, generally, a solution is either 8, 9, 10 marks or 0, 1, 2 marks. You don't get anything in the middle.
Okay.
And you only get 8, 9, 10 if you manage to basically solve the problem. So generally what you'll see as your score is something like 0, 1, 0 or something. Or you solve a problem maybe, or 2 problems or whatever, and you see like 10 or 9. So that's the thing about TSTs, because when you do practice tests, you kind of internalize the thing that you're checking might be like INMO, and then you end up with a really low score and then you feel demotivated. So that's the first thing. Just don't do that. After that, TSTs felt more like I felt more prepared for them. Like the practice tests were good. Sorry, do you mind if I have some water?
Yeah, please.
Just a second.
Meanwhile, we can shift over to Jay. So Jay, तेरे पास तो second part आएगा भाई. Games, fun activities, because तेरे मुंह से सिर्फ मैंने ये सुना है. जैसे TSC से वापस आए. Right. So throw more light on this fun part. Apart from studies, क्या होता था? Mute पे तू. Jay, you're on it.
सर सुबह तो पहले लेक्चर लेते थे, फिर 4 लेक्चर के बाद लगभग 5:30 छूटता था वो. तो अगर एक्स्ट्रा क्लास हुई तो कभी अटेंड करते, कभी नहीं करते, और 6 बजे से फुटबॉल खेलते.
पूरे सब लोग.
हाँ, पूरा ग्राउंड था वहां पे, और नेट से तो बॉल ज्यादा दूर जाती नहीं थी.
हाँ.
और
तो 6 बजे
6 से डिपेंड करता कितने लोग थे और कैसा मन करे खेलने का नहीं खेलने का.
नॉर्मली कितने लोग आते थे?
हम ग्रुप में मैसेज डाल देते थे और जितने उसके हिसाब से भी टाइम डिसाइड कर देते थे. और अगर 20-30 लोग आ जाते ना, 20 तो ज्यादा ही, 20 लोग आ जाते तो 1.5-2 घंटा खेल लेते 8 बजे तक.
अच्छा, पूरा एक फुटबॉल 90 मिनट का गेम होता
था. हाँ.
ओके.
और वो नहीं हो रहा तो फिर लैब में है ना, कार्ड्स के गेम खेलते रहते थे.
हाँ, that was fun.
No, cards.
We used to play.
लैब में कार्ड्स का गेम कैसे? कंप्यूटर.
हाँ, लैब में खेलते.
हाँ, लैब में आवाज कर सकते हैं.
अच्छा वो. लैब में सॉलिटेयर जो कंप्यूटर गेम्स होता है वो
नहीं
No,
नहीं
no,
नहीं
normal cards.
ग्रुप में
Normal cards.
normal cards,
अच्छा
just
वो
cards.
लैब में वो बनाया हुआ था, अड्डा बनाया हुआ था, ओके
हाँ
हाँ
सही ओके सो लैब में वो
um,
अच्छा ओके
is
वो
my mic working?
या
या
यस
Okay.
ओके
हाँ तो कभी कभी क्या होता था कि we used to start playing and then we used to keep going till like 6 in the morning. That happened once or twice to me.
ट्वाइस टू मी
Twice to me. So that just shows how fun the game was.
so when it is 6 in the morning, did you not attend the next day's
नो
classes?
वेट आई
We
टेंटेड
did. We did.
Oh, you did. Okay.
स्लीपलेस
Replays matlab they were getting recorded.
नो स्लीपलेस नाइट्स
No, sleepless.
Oh,
Sleepless.
sleepless nights. Oh, I thought replays. Oh,
Yeah, like
nice.
then they have to sleep in the halls because they're full AC and it was like.
नो नो आई डिड नॉट स्लीप इन द हॉल
See guys,
हाँ,
this is
some people did that though.
so मुझे तो ना अपने रुड़की वाले दिनों की याद आ गई मतलब this is what we used to do in रुड़की. I mean this there were sleepless nights and attending classes in the morning. बीच में break लेना, खेलना, कूदना and majorly it was everything but studies in रुड़की. But again this was different. But again I जब तुम्हारी बातें सुन के I got reminded of my hostel days. Okay, yes, Adit. Okay, so Jay, who was the one who was orchestrating all the games? कौन leader था game
गुंजन
of? Gunjan was the one who used to, बोलती थी कि पढ़ना नहीं है,
Yeah.
आओ खेलते हैं.
हाँ
Yeah, like
Yeah.
the whole
she did
football
not
thing
sleep
was
for
started
4
by.
consecutive days
You did not sleep for 4 consecutive days.
she Gunjan
Oh, उसको तो मैं करता हूँ बात. This is something she did not tell me. Okay,
and
amazing.
she went just after the TSTs
What?
she left just after the TSTs only
Okay, amazing. Arathrik, yes. How was your experience? I mean, first few days. I
Yeah.
think seniors joined you after 5 days, no?
yeah
After 5 days,
Yeah, 4 5 days. Yeah, like we went on 7th and then they came on 11th.
11th, yes.
Yeah, like they
Yeah.
were there for the second practice TSTs. Most
Okay.
of them. Yeah.
How was your experience overall? I mean, तुम्हारे लिए तो कुछ नया नहीं होगा because STEMs में you were already there in the CMI
Yeah.
campus. But how
So like
was it different from something?
I agree with Adit on the TSTs checking thing. Like it is much more harsh than INMO.
Okay. But
Like you either
I don't think the juniors need to worry about it. I mean, the पहला चीज is to clear IOQM and then RMO and then INMO.
yeah
I think ये चीजें हम उनको बाद में भी बता सकते हैं.
yeah.
Right. So I think you will be the seniors for the ones who are okay. Ragging होता है क्या?
no no
No.
No.
एक सेकंड रैगिंग क्या होता है?
Okay, ragging नहीं. अच्छा.
ऐसे seniors junior को tease करे kind of
Okay. तो नहीं होता है. Good.
No, like everyone treats everyone pretty well.
Okay. Great.
There's nothing
Great.
like
Great. Okay. So okay. So seniors joined you for the second practice test, and of course there was then 1 week of classes, and then there were 2 TSTs followed by 3 4 days,
Yeah.
and then followed by
हाँ.
2 TSTs.
Yes.
So TSCs के बाद of course okay you tend to discuss the solutions among yourself and arbitration होता है, right? So arbitration happens one day after
4 days
No, 4 days. Yeah, like we had
4 days
arbitration
after
on
the last
28th.
TST
Our last TST was on 24th and arbitration was on 20th, 28th.
28th. Okay. So what happened on the 3 days in between?
like
Oh, we
2
do
days
anything
the
we can.
discussion of the test
Yeah, right.
solutions
Yeah.
No, so 24th the last TST happened. 25 26 27 में classes तो नहीं होती होंगी.
देखो JEE Advanced में
नहीं,
था तो
जेई
free था पूरे
एडवांस था
time
लोगों का तो
तो free थे
सबका
3
छुट्टी
दिन
करा दिया.
Oh, okay. So there were people who were in the camp who gave JEE Advanced.
yeah
Yeah,
I
like
know
they
one,
went to
Yeah.
the center.
I know one from my city
Oh, your city से एक बच्चा आया हुआ था. तो फिर तो JEE Advanced का क्या ही तैयारी किया होगा उसने?
नहीं ठीक ठाक हो गया
अच्छा ठीक ठाक हो गया. Okay. Because I know a couple of students who did not go to IMOTC because of their JEE Advanced.
when it was mentioned in the brochure that we will arrange if you want
Okay. Okay. तो फिर लास्ट के 3 दिन तो मस्ती हुआ होगा.
हाँ
हाँ.
क्योंकि there was no classes and of course arbitration का भी वो 4 दिन बाद है. So arbitration में होने के बाद okay so the team got decided.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Great.
Like we informally got to know the team on that day, and like after
हाँ
a few
वो
days.
तो
they-
वो पता लग ही जाता है
हाँ.
जब scores के basis पे. Great. Amazing. So, what are the plans for the next session? So, briefly, I mean, seniors should know, juniors should know कि यहाँ पर क्या करने वाले हैं, कितना competition मिलने वाला है. Because for almost every one of you, the next major exam is going to be INMO. That is next year, January. Right. So of course, you have a little advantage, of course, because IOQM and RMO नहीं करना है. But what are the plans? Briefly, Adit, if you could put forward your plans, whatever there is in your mind. क्या focus किया physics पे
I
focus किया
mean,
maths
I'm going to do a bit of like school physics and chemistry now because I haven't been doing that much. So I think I should get a bit more balanced on that. And I also have to do a bit of board stuff because SST and Hindi are like, people
पे.
know how they are.
The good thing is he's in 10th, so age is in on his side. तो अभी वो JEE वाला pressure भी नहीं है. And of course, this year the focus will again be to reach IMOTC for the next year.
Yeah.
Okay. Jay, of course, is preparing for JEE. So Jay का पूरा focus is going to be on JEE. And okay, Arnesh is also here.
I messaged him.
Okay. Did you also message Pradanya because Adit?
I messaged Lakshay, but he
Oh,
did not
wait.
see the message.
Yeah, I should probably ask her. Hold on.
Because
I,
I already sent her message, she did not respond. Okay. Arnesh, how are you?
Sir, just 1 minute, just
Yeah,
1 minute.
Okay, so Arathrik, what are your plans for this year?
So like my plans are like I'll mainly focus on maths and like getting into the team and like TST and stuff. And like with that, like I have some board stuff and like I'll look into some of physics and stuff.
Okay,
That's the plan for it.
great. So Arathrik is also in class 10th. So of course, with boards, he'll be doing physics and mathematics. Amazing. And advice to the juniors, if there is any other, because of course, तुम्हें IOQM नहीं देना है, वो नहीं देना है, सीधा इनमो देना है. But for the ones who are preparing, who have been preparing, this might be their third or fourth attempt. What would be the advice? Let's start with Adit.
I mean, I'm just going to say just completely have fun. Just
One where
don't pay much attention to studying much because 25 दिन में क्या होने वाला है? Just have fun.
अरे 25 में कहाँ पर?
नहीं, मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस से बोल रहा हूँ. नहीं, जो भी जितने भी दिन है TST के लिए, I don't know आगे
TST की बात नहीं कर रहा भाई. Not these junior.
Oh,
I'm talking
wait for.
about
Okay.
the
for
ones who are going to
okay.
write IOQM.
उनके लिए okay, sorry about that. I just say mock a lot, do a lot of mocks. You can't go wrong if you do a lot of mocks because फिर उससे वो idea भी आ जाता है कि how do I do questions easier, जो कहते हैं जुगाड़ लगाते हैं. You get that idea as well. So just do mocks. It can't hurt.
Okay, Jay.
I would like to comment something on this.
Yeah,
Adit, you should be the last person who should be saying that you have not studied in 25 days because he's like उससे सबसे ज़्यादा पढ़ाई की है 25 days क्योंकि वो पढ़ता रहता था वो तो खेलने के लिए आता
Adit
नहीं
used to be the
TST के बाद भी वो कर रहा था solving.
TST के बाद भी solving कर रहा है. वाह.
तू solve ही कर रहा था
So
पूरा
this is
time.
quite ironical. मतलब पूरा opposite. तो तुम follow कर रहे हो उससे पूरा उल्टा बोल रहे हो.
मैंने जो किया है उसको मैं रिग्रेट करके बता रहा हूँ कि मत करो.
Okay. Yeah. That's fine. That makes sense. Okay. Arnesh, yes. कैसा रहा भाई? How was your journey? How was your experience?
IMOTC का
Yes.
yes. तो मैं like IMOTC में बहुत ऐसे like it was a very enjoyable experience, एकदम fun experience. बहुत ऐसे same mindset के लोग आते हैं. हाँ. तो और ऐसे classes वो सब CMI was also a good environment. Nice open. और मेरा like first time camp ही था.
हाँ मतलब सभी का फर्स्ट टाइम ही कैंप था वैसे तो.
Yes. हाँ first.
Okay, great. Okay, एक और चीज मुझे दिमाग में है, मुझे किसी बच्चे ने पूछी थी अभी recently. Is it like overwhelming to meet the people who have represented India last year?
No. They are very
No,
friendly.
they're very chill. They are very chill.
Like, they are very friendly. Most of them are very friendly.
Okay. Okay. So this is
One of
one
them used to
question
play.
which students asked कि ये पूछना जरूर एकदम से मुझे याद आ गया. So okay. So they were all chill and very nice to you and helpful also.
Yes.
Okay. Amazing. Amazing. Okay. So Arnesh, तुमने क्या क्या मस्ती की? Because before you came, we had a look at some of the pictures.
हाँ मैंने लाइक खेला बहुत है मतलब टेबल टेनिस फुटबॉल सब कुछ था उधर.
हाँ.
हाँ तो वो सब खेला है बहुत सबसे ज्यादा खेला ही आई थिंक आई हैव प्लेड मोर देन आई हैव स्टडीड देयर.
Okay.
या
Great. Great.
क्योंकि लाइक
पढ़ाई नहीं किया सिर्फ
हाँ मतलब
अर्नेश ने
बहुत किया था रात
अर्नेश ने फिजिक्स ज्यादा पढ़ी है वहां पे मैथ से.
Arnesh ने.
हाँ.
Arnesh is into guys. See, so there is someone who you might see in the Indian team for physics next year. Arnesh मैं पहले ही announce कर रहा हूँ.
नहीं.
ठीक है तो तुम देख सकते हो इसको. Arnesh is into physics this year and of course he is going to challenge a lot of students. And Arnesh, are you in here in this pic?
No, he was not there.
नहीं मैं नहीं था.
इसमें हो
हाँ
तुम?
इसमें
हाँ, इसमें सेंटर में.
सेंटर डायरेक्ट.
हाँ बरा. Okay.
यस.
फुटबॉल नहीं खेलता था तुम?
हाँ मतलब हाँ मतलब क्या आई वाज लाइक ठीक है मोस्टली प्ले ही था ज्यादा पढ़ाई नहीं.
Okay. Great.
हाँ.
Great.
ये
Okay. Are you there in this picture?
मैंने ही फोटो निकाला
अच्छा तुम picture.
because I think I have clicked the most photos at IMOTC.
Yeah, most
I have clicked like 300-400 photos.
Oh, nice. मैं वही मांग रहा था, इन लोगों के पास फोटो ही नहीं था.
सर इसके 400 फोटो से 100 फोटो ओम की होगी.
अच्छा. अरे ओम also I forgot.
मैंने मैसेज डाला उसको सर, उसने सीन नहीं किया.
अच्छा. मैंने 5-6 लोगों को बस मैसेज किया था ये थिंक सोच के कि कुछ काफी बच्चे 11th में. लक्ष्य को मैंने मैसेज नहीं किया.
लक्ष्य को मैंने किया, उसने सीन भी नहीं किया अभी तक.
हाँ तो मेरे को था, मैं मोस्टली मैं चाह रहा था कि वही जो बच्चे जो अभी 9th में 10th में 11th में उनको बुलाऊं. मुझे पता था जय तो सब कुछ करके बैठा हुआ है, सारा सिलेबस करके बैठा हुआ जेईई का, तो आ ही जाएगा. बाकी लोगों को मैंने डिस्टर्ब नहीं किया. ओके ग्रेट. एक बार मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि जो जय की बाकी पिक्चर्स हैं if we can have those. Okay, this is table tennis.
Yeah,
Okay.
common room.
So this is the main room, is it?
Common room.
Like
यहाँ पर अच्छा this is juniors room. अच्छा we can't see. मैंने share नहीं किया.
हाँ मेरे लिए भी I think it's just freezed on one slide.
Yeah.
Basically I've opened my WhatsApp pics जो Jay has sent me, which I'm not sharing on this Google Meet, but on YouTube it will be visible.
On YouTube it's there.
Okay, so this is your junior classroom.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the library.
It's taking a bit of time. It's lagging slightly.
Okay.
Like between the Meet and YouTube. So
Jay, you've seen, तूने सेंड किया तो देख के बताना ये लाइब्रेरी है.
हाँ ये लाइब्रेरी है.
हाँ जिसमें वो ओम बैठा था, कोई फोटो था?
नहीं ओम तो बाद में बैठा है. ओम का है.
वो हाई लाइब्रेरी है.
हाँ
ओम या अर्नेश.
हाँ दिस इज ओम. ओके. अच्छा तो पढ़ते भी थे, शुक्र है, थैंक गॉड. दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू सी. So there is one pic जिसमें पढ़ाई लिखाई है, बाकी सब में मस्ती है. Okay, this is genius discussing the problem.
Sir, your voice is lagging.
Sir, your Wi-Fi I think is a bit lower.
Okay, let me check. Okay. So Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, great. So anything that you want to add which is going to motivate your juniors? Anything? I mean, ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ juniors को motivate करने के लिए session था. So that is why I wanted some pics also, so that we could show them what it is like in IMOTC. So one thing which they've made it clear is the next IMOTC is also going to be held in CMI, right, for the time being. And any advice that you would want to share? Tell.
I would like to. Uh, I am like the thing is that IMOTC, there are people of your same mindset. So like you get motivated in a way that that I can do better because a lot of people are better at IMOTC than you. Yeah. So that's like one of the main motivations. There are people like you, but you have to do better than them. Like that.
Amazing. Yeah, so basically, मैं ऐसा मान के चल रहा हूँ कि हर एक रीजन का एक टॉपर, मैथ्स का टॉपर, who understand maths better than most of them in around this particular area is there, and वहाँ पर सब great, best of the minds, they work together, they interact. So of course, something good gets out, isn't it, Adit?
I'd agree as well. Yes.
Okay, Ratrik, yes. Anything that you want to add?
Like just have fun, I guess. The whole process and like in the camp too.
Okay, have fun, do masti, do a lot of maths, and
Yeah, that too.
get there in IMOTC. I will be your senior, and I'll teach you more things. Amazing. Okay, Jay, अगले साल IMOTC या JEE दोनों
जेई हाँ दोनों या दोनों
Okay, great. ठीक है. So we'll end the session here, guys. I think the main motive of the session was to again motivate you all, so that कि कहाँ पर जाना है and क्या मस्ती हो रहा है. And this year it was a bit shortened. The camp was थोड़ा कम था. Is it going to be like the same for the coming year? Do you have any idea, or
no
it's
no
going
no
to be
they
normal?
said they got to increase I guess
What?
in the validatory I guess they said that they're going to increase the time now.
Or they're going to increase? Okay. How
Yeah.
much is 40
I-
days? Okay, great.
Sir Om is joining.
Om is joining, so we'll wait. Okay, we'll have Om's picture. Where is Om?
I'll send one.
Om has joined. Okay. Hi, Om. We were waiting and waiting and waiting. Om, are you there? If you're there, to mute pair. Om is on mute. Om, are you there?
Yes, sir.
भाई शक्ल दिखा दे एक बार. Om? Oh, yes.
भाग गया.
Some issue with the internet. Okay, we'll wait for a couple of minutes, and if he doesn't join, we'll end. Maybe he has something to add. Okay, मैंने कभी ओम को देखा नहीं था. I've only seen him in video, but I think he is the tallest of amongst all of you, isn't it?
No,
No.
I'm
Yes.
not.
Jay is the tallest. Jay.
Oh, Jay is the tallest. Oh.
Yeah.
So उन्होंने pick भेजी थी. Jay was sitting actually, so I could not compare Jay's height with Om. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Om, are you there?
Yeah, I am there. I am like outside, so I cannot hear properly.
Okay. So Om, we were discussing about your experience, IMOTC experience, and we were also seeing your pics. और table tennis खेला तुमने और बैडमिंटन खेला.
Sir, I'll send two more.
I don't think we should be जय दिखा दूं? सॉरी, ओम
नहीं
तेरी पिक्स जय ने भेजी हैं।
नहीं सर, नहीं मत दिखाओ।
हाँ वो तो भेजेंगे ही, वो सारी पिक्स।
तो वो दुनिया को दिखा दूं?
नहीं नहीं, सारी।
इसको भेजता हूँ, एक ही है।
एक क्यूरियस वाली पिक्चर है और एक सोने वाली पिक्चर
सर मैं एक जय की फोटो भेजता हूँ आपको डायरेक्ट।
है। अब यहाँ पर मतलब वो
नहीं नहीं,
शुरुआत।
अच्छी फोटो है, मैं और जय
अच्छा
की है।
हाँ
अच्छा
मैंने लाइक
अच्छा।
सोने वाली बहुत सारी फोटो वो लेते हैं सब लोग,
तो मतलब
पता नहीं।
तो सोता था काफी मतलब।
ये तो लाइब्रेरी में सोता था।
नहीं
ओके, अच्छा, कार्ड सबसे अच्छे कौन खेलता है?
कार्ड
हाँ,
काम ना काम आ रहा है सराहना मतलब।
तुम लोग।
लाइक अभी जो मीटिंग में उनसे मैं आई गेस मैं ही खेलता था कार्ड्स वहां
और
पे।
अच्छा अच्छा, होम तो खेलता ही नहीं था।
मैं बल्ब खेलता था।
अच्छा, ब्लफ, ओह नाइस।
जस्ट वन।
और लाइक पीपल्स प्लेइंग फिश एंड या
ओके
माफिया।
ओके।
माफिया
तो
वाज नॉट अ
ओवरऑल
कार्ड गेम।
एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था? अर्नेश, तेरी पिक्चर नहीं आई
हाँ भेज रहा हूँ।
that you are trying to send? Okay, Om, how was the experience, learning experience? सीखने को कितना मिला?
ऐसे अच्छा था वैसे वहां पे तो।
Okay,
मेरा पहला कैंप था और मजा आया बहुत।
okay, good, good. और मस्ती कितनी की?
बहुत सारी। रात रात लाइक सीएस लैब में खेलते थे।
Okay,
सर इसने
हाँ
किसी को केमिस्ट्री नहीं पढ़ने दी।
कौन सी गेम खेलते थे?
नहीं, ये मैथ्स के अलावा है ना, फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री पढ़ लेने देता था दूसरों को।
अच्छा ओम, तेरी शिकायत आ गई है भाई।
मैं नहीं पढ़ता था, बहुत सारे लोग लाइक
हाँ,
मैथ्स को
नहीं
ओलंपियाड
नहीं,
में
तेरी कंप्लेन
केमिस्ट्री
यही
और
है कि तू तू ट्रोल करता था उन लोगों को जो मैथ्स के अलावा बाकी लोग बाकी चीजें पढ़ते थे, केमिस्ट्री पढ़ते थे। You should troll people over there. कहाँ गया? ओके, सो मुझे आर्नेश ने एक फोटो भेजा है। ये दिखाने वाला फोटो है। आई थिंक इसको दिखाना चाहिए।
सर मेरे को भी दिखाओ कौन से।
ये लो, ये तो बनता है। आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू शेयर, बट इसमें जो है मतलब यू लुक लाइक बॉलीवुड प्रोस्पेक्ट। मतलब मैं
ओह ठीक है, समझ गया कौन सी है।
ये मैंने पिक्चर दिखा दी आज दुनिया को। तो अभी से मुझे ऑफर आने वाली है बहुत जल्दी। बहुत सारे डायरेक्टर से दे गोइंग टू कॉल एट योर नंबर एंड आस्क फॉर द टाइम। तो बट बोल देना कि मैं इस बार जेई देने में बिजी हूँ। अगले साल आना।
दिखी नहीं मेरे को तो अभी तक।
यहाँ पर मैं शेयर नहीं कर रहा हूँ, इट इज ऑन यूट्यूब।
हाँ, यूट्यूब पे
हाँ
दिखी।
बढ़िया लग रहा है,
भैया नहीं भाई, हीरो
बढ़िया
लग रहा
लग
है।
रहा है भाई।
हीरो, हाँ
ओ,
बढ़िया।
ओम की फोटो दिख गई।
ओके, ओम इज गॉन अगेन।
ओम की भी फोटो दिख गई, बढ़िया।
Chalo. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for the time, and I'm sure this fun session is going to motivate a lot of your juniors, and they're going to work more hard. तो और कोई भी क्वेश्चन है, प्लीज डोंट हेजिटेट टू राइट on the chat, and me or these people are definitely going to see those comments and answer whatever doubts are there in your mind. Okay, chalo guys.